Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a job offer letter. What is a job offer letter? A job offer letter is a formal communication from an employer to a selected candidate, outlining the terms and conditions of employment. It covers essential details such as the job title, salary, benefits, start date, and other employment terms. Once accepted by the candidate, the letter solidifies their commitment to the role and serves as the foundation for the employment relationship. This letter ensures both parties have a clear understanding of the job arrangement and sets the stage for the candidate's onboarding and integration into the company. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a job offer letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you can write the company header. Write the name of the company or organization. Under it, write the address of the company. You should mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And then, write the contact information of the company. You can write the phone number, as well as the email address. That's the basic style of company header. After that, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. In this example is October 20th, 2023. And then, write the information about the recipient. You can write the full name. And also, write the recipient's address. Yes, you need to include the home number, street name, city, state, and zip code as well. Once you completed all the information, you can open the letter with salutation. Simply write Dear Mr., or Mrs., or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you can congratulate and tell the recipient the reason why you are writing this letter. You have to state it clearly that you offer a job position in your company. It means, mention the job position, as well as the name of the company or organization. For example, you can write like, "We are pleased to extend an offer of employment for the position of Senior Software Engineer at XYZ Tech Solutions." After stating your intention, you can tell the reason why you chose the recipient. And write positive things about the recipient. You can also write how you believe the recipient is a good asset to your company. For example, you can write, "We were impressed with your qualifications and experience during the interview process, and we believe that you will be a valuable addition to our team." And then, you need to give all the details of the job offer. You can write the job position, the department, the location, the starting date, and to whom you should address your letter or confirmation. For example, position, Senior Software Engineer. Department, Engineering. Location, New York. Start date, November 1st, 2023. Reporting to Sarah Johnson, Director of Engineering. Besides that, mention also the salary and benefits. For example, salary, $110,000 per year. Benefits, you will be eligible for our company benefits package, which includes health insurance, a 401k retirement plan, and paid time off. Writing the benefits can convince the recipient that the job is promising. The next informed that most candidates need is probationary period. Here, you should state clearly how many days the trial will be. For example, you can write, "Probationary period, the initial 90 days will serve as a trial period to assess your fit within the company." A good company is the one who gives clarity about job description and responsibilities. And here, it is highly recommended that you also include. For example, you can write, responsibilities. As a senior software engineer, you will be responsible for leading software development projects, collaborating with cross-functional teams, and ensuring the successful delivery of high-quality software solutions. The more details you give, the better it is, so the recipient understands the big picture of their future job tasks. After that, you can write details about working hours. Write the time and days. For example, you can write, working hours, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday to Friday. How about days off? Sure, you need to include it as well. For example, you can write, vacation and leave. You will be entitled to 15 days of paid vacation per year, in addition to our company's standard holidays. If you think you need to add more information, feel free to do it. You can write about termination. Like employment with XYZ Tech Solutions is at will, which means that either you or the company can terminate the employment relationship at any time, with or without notice and with or without cause. Or any other information that is crucial to be acknowledgement by the recipient. Since you are offering a job position, you should give information how the recipient can respond to it. The candidates may also need to ask questions or further details about it. So, you can write something like, to accept this offer, please sign and return a copy of this letter by December 22, 2023, indicating your acceptance of the terms and conditions. You can send it via email to hr@xyztech.com or by mail to 456 Tech Avenue, New York, NY 10001. If you have any questions or need further clarification regarding this offer, please feel free to contact me at 555-123-4567 or sarah.johnson@xyztech.com. We look forward to welcoming you to our team and believe that you will contribute significantly to our company's success. Congratulations on your new role. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name as well as your occupation in the company. So, that's how you write a job offer letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.